Today's recipe is cappuccino chocolate chip muffins. Okay, we're going to start with our flour and add our baking powder, our baking soda, and our salt. And we're just going to whisk that together, and then we'll set this aside. Now we'll take our oil and our brown sugar and our white sugar, and we're going to use a hand mixer and we're going to mix this all together. Now we're using oil instead of butter because it's at room temperature, which makes our muffins fluffier. Then we're going to add our eggs that are at room temperature and our vanilla, and we're going to use the hand mixer and we're going to mix that together. Using things at room temperature just makes the mixing a lot easier. Now we're going to use our buttermilk, and we're going to add some sour cream to this, and the sour cream and buttermilk are also at room temperature. And again, this just makes everything mix much easier together. If you don't have buttermilk, you can use regular milk and adding about a teaspoon of lemon juice and let it sit for 5 minutes. We'll add our coffee powder, instant coffee powder, and mix that in with our buttermilk and sour cream. And it's okay if the coffee isn't all dissolved. Now we're going to add half of our flour to our oil and sugar and egg mix. And using the hand mixer, we're going to mix that all together. Scraping down the sides until all the flour is incorporated. Then we'll add half of the buttermilk mixture, and using the hand mixer again, we'll stir that all up. And now we don't need the hand mixer, we're just going to fold everything. We'll add the rest of the flour, add the rest of the buttermilk and coffee, get all that coffee mixed in. That's what's going to give it that cappuccino flavor. And then we'll add our chocolate chips, and we'll just fold this all together. And remember not to overmix. Lumps are okay. Overmixing will just create tougher muffins. I've greased our muffin tin. We're going to fill them right up. This will make 12 very large muffins. Fill those cups right up, right to the very top. They're going to go in a 425-degree oven for 5 minutes, then turn it down to 375 for around 15 minutes, and let cool in the pan for 5 minutes when they're all finished cooking. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.